So it's Tuesday, the end of July 2020. We are starting our family vlog. We're out north Minnesota right now, Lake Cabotogama, getting ready for our shuttle pickup because we sold our boat a little premature in preparations for buying an offshore boat when we get to Florida. So this is Cabotogama. We'll be portaging, running up through Namakan and then getting over into Kettle Falls, portaging onto Rainy Lake, where we'll be for the week. So stay tuned for some hot fishing action. There's Cassidy. She's
Hi.
ready to slam some monsters.
Oh yeah.
And we're gonna get this done. Stay tuned and here we go. All loaded in the ferry. Got our pilot. Bobby, the pilot, flip you around. Oh, you want to talk? The only reception on this island is at the hotel. So we're walking to the hotel, get some reception so we can communicate with the outside world. Because we off the grid right now.
Okay, so currently we are debating, I'm debating if I actually want to swimming. Savannah already just sended it and jumped in. I want to dive in, but I don't really know. It's like 8 feet. I dive pretty deep. No, I'm kidding. Mom's reading in the rental boat.
We kind of sold ours.
Yeah, we kind of sold ours like in a day, like 22 hours. Oh my gosh, my contact. So yeah, then we're gonna go snorkeling. I think our dad's gonna come too, so that's really gonna motivate me to jump in. But we'll see. Oh, there's a chair here on our dock too.
I got attacked by something. Eeyore, eat it.
Eeyore is the name of the turtle.
Eeyore is a snapping turtle that
Or
lives
last
here.
year.
We're gonna
that
go
we had.
find him. I look bald.
Okay. Okay, so yeah.
I cut my hair.
See you later.
What are you finding? People's garbage and a golf ball.
How deep you go today? What? What?
A shell.
How deep you go?
Not very.
Oh, go right here. You can go deep. Make sure you equalize though. Oh, there's totally stuff.
Hang
I
on.
wonder if there's stuff right off this dock.
Savannah has caught the official first catch of the vacation today. I had one, but then it came off, so that doesn't count. But she gets $5 now.
Where should I bring
It's a
Should I
fighter.
bring it by Tui or by you?
Well, Dad thinks it's a bass, so it's most likely a bass because he's the fish expert. And it's a runner. It likes running. There it is. It's a decent sized fish.
I need a tight one.
I had it facing.
Go.
Oh, shoot. How do you feel, Savannah?
Good.
Smalley. That kid.
So we are currently just, I don't know, getting ready for bed. Yeah, it's our first night. We had lots of fun today, but we can't catch anything besides bass, so we're gonna figure that out. Find where all the good fish are. And yeah, we're pretty much just gonna go to bed soon. First night.
Told you, they let you wheel them up, then they dive back.
That's a great fish. Swing him in the boat, Jake. Swing him in the boat. Had a kid.
So we currently just got done running, and that was fun. But Candace is making us food. The other people are out here eating. I haven't gotten my food yet, so to like cool down. They're out here eating.
What are you doing?
And I almost fell. But yeah, the guys are out fishing with Jake. And I hope they catch us food.
Okay, so my dad just got back from his fishing trip. I just kind of ran, so that's why I look disgusting. But they are, and I suck at guessing, so we'll have to ask him when he comes back down. But there they are. He was gone for a few hours this morning. It is 9:38, and he left, I think, around 6. We got some walleye. We'll probably go out fishing later today, but I don't really know. We don't really ever have a plan. We kind of just go with the flow, so we'll see.
Oh yeah, right.
Oh, doesn't take much convincing for them.
At the same time. Yes! No, Savannah and Hill! Savannah and Hill!
It's supposed to be this guy. Big amputated him.
Yes, I know you're trying to get.
Look at him. He's still trying to get away. He's still trying to get away with the win.
The bigger they are, the dumber they get.
Jake, you have to go in now.
These things are amazing. I just killed them.
No, please don't.
I saw him kill him.
Let's see if he bites you still.
How about now?
How about now?
What's up, sucker? What's up now?
Go on this side. Come on this side. It's easier.
Where are you going, Opie?
He knows the easy way up. Come on, Tui. Here, Tui. Tui, come. Tui, come. Watch.
Tui's like, this is easy.
Hang on.
Oh, yeah.
Now he's going to shake out on Uncle Mike.
Douchebag. No, Joe.
Oh, Jake.
Move. We'll all go with you.
Well, I didn't have to go in. Tui just.
No, Dad needs to go.
Come on, Jake.
Jacob, I even went in the water. Now you want a hug?
I pulled out of the water.
Oh, wait. So reach.
It wasn't a leech, Haley.
No, there was a fly there.
Go, Jake.
Jake.
Get it! Oh, cannonball!
Okay, Jake, I'll throw you.
Jake,
He's smiling right now.
you go with your dad.
He's like, I'm
Where
swimming.
are you going, Opie?
I'm swimming.
He knows the easy way up.
See ya.
Come on, Tui. Here, Tui. Tui, come. Tui, come. Watch.
Tui's like, this is easy.
Hang on.
Oh, yeah.
Now he's going to shake out on Uncle Mike.
Douchebag. No, Joe.
Kathy, you got my stuff?
See, I got pinched by a crayfish and it doesn't.
Savannah, we're gonna swim to the beach. Come on.
Okay. What's your stuff?
Go, Mom.
Are we actually? Woo. Yeah, we are.
We
actually.
Yeah, do you want to swim to the beach with me?
Oh, okay.
The mini lobster. You can catch about 50 and look at
I know.
This size bites you. Sit.
Where are you going?
Colson! Woo!
We do. Okay. Jake, do you still have those snorkel stuff in the boat? Or is it on the dock? Let me go over there. I'm going to find a lot of blueberries over there.
Woo, Jake!
Attaboy, Jake.
Missed it. Get slippery.
Slippery, buddy. Don't try to go too fast.
Good job.
Nice job. Now he's cold.
Here, Jake, you want to let the crayfish go?
Here, come on, let him pinch you. Jake.
Here, we won't eat him because there's only one.
Are you swimming to shore?
Just let him go.
Or we
You're
can
coming
watch
up.
him bait.
Jay, do you want me to come back with you or swim to shore?
He's releasing that thing.
Okay, I'll just go then.
Huh?
If he wants me to come back and walk with him, just swim.
Yeah.
Because I told him I would.
You would? He's not going to go in there. Let's let him go in that rock right there.
Hey, girls, I wouldn't sit in the stand.
Why?
That's where the leeches hang.
I thought they liked the mud.
No, they love the
Be
sand.
real careful.
Leech butt. Oops. Well, this will be Mom's signature video.